Did you know rosemary tea can help you focus? It can also help with your digestion system and relaxation. Today, I'll show you how to make this simple aromatic tea and share its amazing benefits. According to research, rosemary tea was first mentioned around 5000 BC, and rosemary tea has been used for over 5000 years. This is very healthy and important. These health benefits, what I'm going to share with you, is backed by traditional science. Rosemary improves memory and concentration. Rosemary also supports digestive system, reduce bloatedness. Rosemary help with stress relief and relaxation. Rosemary also packed with antioxidant for overall well-being. For this recipe, you just need rosemary and water, and it will steep for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you boil the water up, you need about 2 cups of water, and you need to add at least 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary or dry rosemary, whichever one you prefer. You'll need to let it steep for probably about 5 to 10 minutes, depends on the taste and preference. With this one, I boil it very strong because that's the way I prefer it. And also, I will add a little bit of honey to it. Also, remember to drain it properly. Add a bit of lemon to it or honey if you desire that. So with this, I'm just going to strain it off. It's already um, in my teapot, so I pour it over the honey just to get the honey dissolved a bit better. Also, rosemary tea, you can have it cold with a bit of ice and bit of citrus. Rosemary tea, you can make it in a latte and enjoy it with a bit of frothed milk. Also, blend with mint or chamomile for extra relaxation. Have you tried rosemary tea? Let me know in the comment section. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe. Do leave positive comment. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.